Aboriginal TV Channel 4, putting Aboriginal news first.
Students from the Clontarf Academy Casuarina Senior College visited Aboriginal Broadcasting Australia as part of a job experience program and a digital broadcasting facility tour. The students experienced what it is like to be a radio broadcaster to 2,400 Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander communities with Aboriginal presenter Karen Googie Powell on Australian Indigenous Radio Vast 913.
Good morning, lovely listeners, and in the studio with me today I have some more awesome deadly young fellas from the Casuarina Senior College from Clontarf. Okay, my first question for you is what have you gotten out of Clontarf? What's the best thing about it so far that you've actually learnt and really enjoy?
I've learnt heaps of respect since joining them.
Yeah.
Before joining them, I was pretty disrespectful and I was pretty low.
And in the Aboriginal TV Channel 4 studio, where they were screen tested to appear on Aboriginal TV programs.
Welcome to Talking Sport. This is Isaiah Williams and this is my mate, Messiah Snicky.
The student visit engaged the students to think about their future and job opportunities.
How about you, mate?
I got some employment out of it.
Wow, yeah, where did you get a job at?
Kmart.
Oh, that's a big step. Your first job, best of all, you have your own money to spend, right?
Yeah.
No question.
The buzz from the students was that there was interest in joining Defence, the NT Police Fire and Rescue Service, to becoming electricians and cabinet makers. We at Aboriginal Broadcasting Australia are looking to the next group of enthusiastic students as part of our regular employment encouragement programs.
See you then.
See ya.
Aboriginal TV Channel 4, putting Aboriginal news first.